So this balance, so question 18 from the homework, they tell us 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen to make 2 moles of water. And this is a little bit different than the questions we've done because instead of giving us mass or giving us moles, right, they give us molecules. Well, the other nice thing about molecules is we can read this equation in terms of molecules. We could say for every 2 molecules of hydrogen, I need 1 molecule of oxygen, and I'm gonna make 2 molecules of water. So we want to find our limiting reagent first so that we can find, based on that, how much water would we make in this reaction. So we can do the same calculation for hydrogen and oxygen to basically say, okay, for the hydrogen that's there, if I put in 2.05 times 10 to the 23 molecules, and I put in 1.33 times 10 to the 23 molecules. We could convert this into moles, right? But we can also directly just say, okay, for every 2 molecules of hydrogen, I'm going to make 2 molecules of water. And then we're going to do the same thing for oxygen to see that for every 1 molecule of oxygen, I'm going to make 2 molecules of water, right? So based on the hydrogen, right, we could make 2.05 times 10 to the 23 water molecules. And then based on the oxygen, right, if we double that, we could make 2.66 times 10 to the 23 water molecules. So based on that, what's our limiting reagent? Yeah, the hydrogen, right? The hydrogen, when the hydrogen's gone, we can only make 2.05 times 10 to the 23 water molecules, right? So we're going to ignore water. We're done with water, and we're going to just move forward with hydrogen. And now we're in steps we should be more familiar with of going from water molecules. So 2.05 times 10 to the 23 water molecules, right? That means we need Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number tells us, right, for 1 mole of anything, I need 6.02 times 10 to the 23 molecules. Because I can't go from molecules of water to mass of water. We don't know that conversion factor. There isn't one, right? 2.05 times 10 to the 23 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23. And we're going to make about 0.3405 moles of water. Now we can go to mass because, all right, 0.3405 moles of water, right? The molar mass of water tells us for 1 mole, right, we need 18 grams of water. So multiply by 18. And we're going to make something like 6.12 grams of water.